In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Drive link for photos. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, as you can see, I've got a folder here with some photos that I want to upload to Google Drive and create a link for. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is open up a new browser, and what you want to do is come across to google.com. From here, come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see these 9 dots which says Google Apps. Give that a click, and then what you want to do is click onto Drive, and it's going to take you across to your Google Drive. From here, come over to the left hand side. What you want to do is click the new button here and then click onto Folder Upload. What you can then do is select your folder from here. So mine was on my desktop, it's just called Photos, this one here. So I'm just going to click and then click Upload, and what it's going to do is upload my photos ready to go. As you can see in the bottom right hand corner, it's now going to start uploading my photos. Once that's done, come back to the left hand side to this menu and then click onto Recent, and you should see your photos at the top of the list. So what you can now do is come over to the left hand side, click onto New, and then click onto New Folder at the top. Then give your photo a name, so I'm just going to call this one Test Photos, and then click Create. Now once that's done, it's going to take you to the folder, so you can see that's here. What you can then do is come back to Recent, find the files that you want to add to this folder, and what you want to do is come to the right hand side of each of the photos, and you're going to see the 3 dots. Give that a click. On this menu, come down, hover over Organize, and then click onto Move. What that's going to do is open a window like this, where you should see the folder you've created. So just simply give it a click and then click Move. And then just repeat this for all of your photos that you want to add and share a link drive for. As you can see, the 3 photos have now been added. If we come over to the right hand side, you can see under location, it says test photos. So this is the folder. Now, all you need to do is locate your test photos folder. So you can use the search box at the top and type the name of your folder into here. Here it is. And then let's give that a click. That's going to take us across to the folder with all the photos ready to go. At this point, all you need to do is come up to the top. Next to my drive, you should see the folder name. Give that a click. It's going to bring up a menu like this, and all you want to do is hover over the share option and then click onto share. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this. From here, come down to the bottom section which says about general access and change this from restricted to anyone with the link. All you need to do now is click the copy link button. That's going to copy the link for this folder with all the photos, and you can now share that with whoever you want, and they'll be able to click that link and access the photos. So that's how to create a Google Drive link for photos. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.